Hi, this is Hemlata from Aksharasalonandstudio. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about reception look. I'm starting with the eye lens. And now I'm applying the lip moisturizer, Nars brand. And first I'll do eye makeup. I started concealing with the sugar concealer. And I'm powdering it now. With the MAC eyeshadow palette, with a soft orange. Just giving a nice shade. To give the intense in the corners, I'm taking a little darker color and making a little intense in the corners. So with the costume color, I'm taking a gold pigment. She's wearing a gold dress, so I'm taking gold pigments and applying on the eyeball area. So now I'm going to apply the glitters. I'm taking NYX glitter glue, just applying. And on the top, glitters. Slightly I'm tapping it. And now I'm starting with the liner. I'm using Inglot liner. I'm giving a nice smooth liner. Giving a smooth liner. And now I'm taking a mascara. MAC mascara. Just applying. And PAC lashes, Pro 1. This is a very natural lashes. And with the glue, I'm just fixing it. Now I'm starting with the skin. She's having quite normal to dry, so I'm using a strobe cream from MAC. I'm just warming out the product and applying on the skin. So I'm giving a gentle massage. This makes the products to absorb. And now adding the primer from Benefit brand. Just applying on the nose tip and little on the forehead area. And then the little on the under eye highlighting area. And now I'm starting with the eyebrows. I'm using a gel liner from Anastasia brand. And I'm taking a liquid highlighter. Now itself I'm applying. This makes the skin glow. And just lightly I'm tapping it. So I'm taking a MAC concealer and just started concealing. As she's having a dry skin, so I'm using a cream concealer. After finishing concealing, starting with the foundation, I'm using a Nars foundation. This gives a natural radiant. After finishing the face, I'm applying on the neck area and ears, the same color foundation. Now I'm taking the Nars concealer and started concealing the under eye. And very slightly I'm going to do a under eye concealing because it will start creasing and the lines will appear. Now after finishing foundation, I'm starting brightening the skin. I'm using the next tone of the foundation. I'll always make the natural brightness. So I'm just taking a next tone to make it a natural fairness with a Nars highlighter. Just applying, and with a cream concealer I'm started contouring it. Started contouring on the cheeks, a little above the eyebrows and forehead, and on the nose. And after applying, just tap it with the beauty blender. Now I'm setting with the Lara Mercier translucent powder. Slightly I'm tapping it. And now with the contour palette from MAC, just applying little more definition to the face. Now I'm taking the MAC Mineralized Blush, Lovejoy. This is a very soft orange and gives a natural blush. And now I'm taking the Bobbi Brown highlighter on the highlighting areas. So intensify the eyebrows more. I'm taking the eyebrow powder and just making a soft line. After applying mascara, I'm taking the Kohl Kajal from MAC, applying on the round lid, and this is the smudge proof, and just softening the edges. Now I'm starting the lips with a MAC lip pencil. So applying the lips with the lip pencil, just smudging it, and with the liquid lipstick from MAC, and just applying with the brush. Now with a soft pink blush, again I'm giving a fresh look for the makeup, and with the MAC Fix Plus, just I'm setting it. And this is a complete look for the reception bride, and she's glowing and looking gorgeous.